So hello everyone. Now we are going to create a module and work with the modules in practical way. That means we are going to code for a module. So let's start. First we need to create a file. Okay, this is a default file. Okay, now let's write here one Python code. Okay, def sq, and this will take one default parameter, that is x, one tab space, and return x by x, multiply by x. Okay, now the whatever the value of x is coming here, that value is going to be multiplied by multiply by 2 times. That means we are getting square value. Okay, now let's save this. As you can see here, it's asking to give name to my file. I will give here name to my file, uh, sqr.py. Okay, now the sqr is the file name, and that only the my module name also going to be. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, we have successfully created a module with a name of sur. Okay, now let's try to import this module. For that we have to use import command here, and then our module name, that is sur. Okay, now we have to give here .py name. Python can understand it. Okay, now I have imported here successfully. Now I will give here x is equals to 4. Okay, now let's send this. Before sending, let's create here one variable which is known as a p1. P1 is my favorite. Okay, and let's try to call this sq function. Okay, to call that function, what we have to do, we have to take first our module name, that is sur, and then dot function name. Okay, that is sq. Okay, now the whatever value you want to send, you can send here. I may send here 4. Okay, no, instead of 4 I will send here x. Okay, now the whatever the value which I'm sending, that will be go here in place of x parameter. It is going to be multiply here and return back to sqr, and that is going to be saved into p1. And when I will do print p1, I have to get 16. Okay, let's save this, control s, and let's run this program. As you can see, we are successfully getting 16. That means the module which I have created is successfully working. Now let's understand, or let's give alternative name to our sur. Sur, it's short name only, but in Python there are few modules are there, those have very big names. So instead of those big name, we are giving them alternative name. So let's give alternative for name to my module ser. For that, what we have to do, we have to use as keyword, and then name whatever you want to give to name. I will give here alt. Okay, alt. I think alt is a default. Okay, all. Okay, this is not any kind of pre-built keyword, I think. So instead of all, okay, now let's run this code. As you can see, we have successfully replaced our main name and we are getting our output without any kind of error. So hope you have understand it about modules and how we can operate and how we can use modules. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.